Thailand, the land of smiles, is known for its breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine. But what if you could explore this paradise without breaking the bank? In this video, we'll show you how to travel Thailand on a budget with tips to save big, what to do, and what to avoid. 1. Budget-friendly accommodation options. Thailand offers a range of accommodations to fit any budget. Hostels in the major cities like Bangkok and Chiang Mai start as low as $5 to $10 per night, providing comfortable dorm beds and great opportunities to meet fellow travelers. If you prefer more privacy, guest houses and budget hotels can cost between $15 and $30 per night, often with air conditioning and Wi-Fi included. For longer stays, consider using apps like Airbnb or local rental platforms to find affordable monthly rentals. Many of these are located in quieter areas, giving you a taste of authentic Thai life. In beach destinations like Krabi or Koh Samui, bungalows near the shore can be a budget-friendly alternative to resorts. Pro tip: book accommodations during Thailand's low season, May to October, for significant discounts. Many hotels and hostels slash their prices by 30 to 50%. 2. Affordable transportation. In Thailand, getting around Thailand doesn't have to be expensive. Domestic flights between major cities can be surprisingly cheap if booked in advance, with airlines like AirAsia offering tickets for as low as $20. However, buses and trains are even more affordable and provide an authentic travel experience. One local buses and songthaeos. These are shared pickup trucks commonly used in cities and towns. 1. They cost as little as $0.30 per ride. 2. Tuk-tuks. While iconic, they can be overpriced. 2. Negotiate the fare before getting in. 3. Grab app. Thailand's version of Uber is a reliable and affordable way to get around in cities like Bangkok and Chiang Mai. 4. Trains. For longer journeys, take advantage of Thailand's train system. 4. A sleeper train from Bangkok to Chiang Mai can cost as little as $20 for a second-class ticket. What not to do? Avoid unlicensed taxis or drivers who refuse to use a meter. You're likely to overpay. 3. Eating on a budget. Thailand's street food heaven. Thailand is a street food paradise where you can eat like a king for just a few dollars a day. Popular dishes like pad thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice are widely available for $1 to $3 at street stalls. Local markets like Bangkok's Chatuchak Market or Chiang Mai's Night Bazaar are fantastic places to enjoy fresh, authentic Thai meals at unbeatable prices. Don't miss trying street food at the Damno and Saduak floating market or the many night markets scattered across the country. For groceries, stick to local supermarkets like Tesco Lotus or Big C for affordable prices. Cooking your meals in hostels with shared kitchens can also save money. What not to do? Avoid eating at tourist-heavy areas where prices are marked up significantly. Stick to places where locals eat. 4. Free and low-cost activities. Thailand offers a wealth of experiences that won't strain your wallet. 1. Temples. Many of Thailand's stunning temples like Wat Arun and Wat Chedi Luang are either free or cost just a small donation. 1.5. 2. National parks. Entry fees for national parks like Erawan National Park or Doa Inthanon National Park are affordable and provide access to waterfalls, trails, and breathtaking views. 3. Beaches. Thailand's beaches are free to visit. 3. Explore lesser-known gems like Ao Nang or Railay Beach to avoid crowds. 4. Walking tours. Many cities including Bangkok and Chiang Mai, offer free or low-cost walking tours led by locals eager to share their culture and history. Pro tip: take advantage of free cultural events or festivals like Songkran, Thai New Year, or the Loy Krathong Festival, where you can witness Thailand's rich traditions without spending a dime. Money-saving tips and hacks. 1. Use public transportation. Avoid costly private taxis. 1. Bangkok's BTS SkyTrain and MRT are efficient and inexpensive. 2. Barter. Negotiating prices at markets is expected and can help you save on souvenirs or services. 3. SIM cards. Get a local SIM card with data for around $10 to use apps like Google Maps and Grab. 4. Drink tap water cautiously. Stick to bottled water, which costs as little as $0.30. 4. Many accommodations also provide free refill stations. Avoid bank fees. Use credit cards with no foreign transaction fees, or withdraw large amounts to reduce ATM charges. 6. Do's and don'ts in Thailand. 1. Respect local customs. Dress modestly when visiting temples, covering shoulders and knees. 2. Learn basic Thai phrases. Simple phrases like Sawasdi, hello, and Hop Kun, thank you, go a long way. 3. Tip sparingly. Tipping isn't required, but leaving a small amount, 10-20 baht, for exceptional service is appreciated. Don'ts. 1. Don't touch someone's head. It's considered disrespectful in Thai culture. 2. Don't point your feet. Feet are regarded as the lowest part of the body, so avoid pointing them at people or sacred objects. 3. Avoid unethical wildlife tourism. Say no to elephant rides or visiting tiger temples, as they often involve animal cruelty. Closing scene. A traveler's paradise on a budget. Visual. Golden sunsets over Thai beaches, vibrant street markets, and happy travelers enjoying their experiences. Voiceover. Thailand proves that adventure, culture, and breathtaking beauty don't have to come with a hefty price tag. By following these tips, you can explore this incredible country while staying within your budget. From savoring street food to wandering ancient temples, Thailand offers endless opportunities for unforgettable experiences. Subscribe for more travel tips and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite budget-friendly destination in Thailand? Happy traveling!